Hello everyone, comb your hair at the sides and tie in the middle of the rubber band and drop it inside to get a favorite twisted band. Then split the remaining section of the hair at the back into two, make it come to the front and comb it a little bit, have a rubber band attached to it, making a ponytail, and drop the tail into its own loop and make it come down. Then tighten it a little bit and split the remaining tails into 4 parts, braid it in a thicker manner. Do the braiding until you reach the bottom, roll the braid and make it to the top and how does a bun and drop in your favorite hairpin collection. Comb the left section of the hair a little bit and split them into 3 parts and have it braided in a thicker manner, then secure the end with the rubber band. Do the same braiding on the right side. With the remaining section of the hair at the back, split them into 2 sections and have the right braid attached to the left section and make it as a ponytail. Do the same vice versa on the left braid as well. Comb the hair a little bit and drop in your favorite hairpin. Grab the sides of your hair and comb it a little bit and tie a rubber band to it and drop it inside to get a twisted band tail. Split them into 2 parts and have each section into 3 parts and braid it in a thicker manner and secure the end with the rubber band. Then roll the left braid and make it as a bun and move the bun to the top and have it in place by dropping little hairpin. Then make the right braid go over the left one and have it around it and drop in a little hairpin on that. Comb the left section of the hair a little bit and have a rubber band attached to it. Create a gap using your finger. Drop the tail into it. Put the right section of the hair, split them into 3 parts and have it braided. Then attach both the tails together with another rubber band, making a ponytail and have a rubber band in the middle part. Stuff the tail into the middle one, making it as a bun. Move the bun to the top and have it in place by dropping little hairpin. Then decorate with your favorite hair clutcher. Comb the left section of the hair a little bit and have it split them into 3 parts and braid it in a thinner manner on the right side of it as well. Then after that, secure the end with the rubber band and place it to the top temporarily. Then with the remaining section of the hair, make a ponytail and bring the braids back and make it go around the rubber band, covering it and dropping your favorite hair clutcher. Comb the sides of your hair on the top section and have it tie with the rubber band. Have another section of the hair right below it and have it tie with another rubber band and drop it inside for a twisted band and drop it inside thrice on the first loop. With the remaining section of the hair, make a ponytail, split them into 2 parts and have each of them a rubber band to it and create a loop in the middle one, drop the tail into it, combine both the tails together with another rubber band and stuff it inside and move it to the top internally attached to another rubber band. Grab the top section of the hair, split them into 3 parts and have it braided 3 or 4 times and secure it with the rubber band. Grab the sides of your hair right below it and grab another section of the hair right below that and tie with the rubber band and split the tail into 2 parts and have it combined together behind the back side of the back section. Attach beautiful hair clutcher. Grab a strip of hair from the left side and have it split them into 2 parts and have it braided with a strip of hair from the front going in between the braids gap and braid it as normal as you would do when you empty the front section for 3 or 4 times and have it attached to the rubber band. Do the same vice versa on the right side tails together with another rubber band. Then after that, have a rubber band attached to the middle part of the tail and create a loop in the middle one, drop the tail into it and drop the entire tail into the first loop we have, making as a heart and love, and leave the remaining hair as such. Make a bun to the top section of the hair, create a gap using your finger, drop the tail into it, then grab a section of the hair on the left side, have a rubber band attached to it, create a gap using your finger and drop the tail into it, combine all the 3 tails together with another rubber band, make a ponytail and have it split them into 4 parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. So do the braiding until you reach the bottom part and have the end secure with the rubber band and roll the braid inwards and have it secure underneath the tails we have. Drop in your favorite hair clutcher on top of it, covering the rubber band. Thank you everyone for watching this video.